What's up guys, so in this video I'm gonna make a glowing material and I'm gonna leave it plain, so I'll show you how to do it so you can do it with me. So without further ado, let's start. So what you want to do is you want to create a material here, and you can name it whatever you like. I'm gonna name it glow. Okay, it's pretty easy how to do this. You just do this, you go in here, and damn, yeah, I know this is new, this is in the Unreal Engine. Okay, I'm gonna put the roughness for 1, and to like get this, I press 4 and then left click, and I put that as the constant. But I put it like, let's say blue, alright, purple, let's say. Okay, and with this I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna go out the emissive color. I'm gonna do that, and then you just realized, oh, but where's all the emissive things? Like, oh, how do you add it, the emissive things? Well, if you put it on the thing, of course, there's no emission, because you're gonna have to go to the emissive color, and then you're gonna have to also put one vector, this, and an emissive color in that. And of course, it doesn't work because it's at 0, of course. And then if you apply, no, sorry, you don't put it for 1, you should put it like 1000, I'm gonna say, so you can actually see it properly. And yeah, this is how you make a light thing. And oops, sorry, I closed that. And if you want to do the coloring, you can. And that's it. Okay, see you in the next video. Peace.